Hi everyone, I received this DisplayPort cable as a gift, and today we're gonna open the package and see what it comes with. It's a 2.1 display cable. So the one we're looking at, this 20 feet, it supports 8K. This cable supports HDR. You can use this cable pretty much anywhere that supports DisplayPort cable, on PC or any video console. It's a real nice quality cable. It's really thick, but at the same time it's really soft. Definitely recommend it.